played a few notes for you on the cello here with the bow, and we'll soon be getting to the bow and how to use the bow. But today we're going to talk about what we do with our fingers here to make notes like that with this hand, our left hand. But we're going to talk a little bit more about the plucking that we've been doing when we tune our cellos. You've been plucking. There's a word for that, and that word is pizzicato, or pizz for short. Now when we're going to be doing pizzicato, we want to rest our thumb, our right hand thumb, on the side of our fingerboard about 3 inches up from the end of the fingerboard. This all is called the fingerboard, by the way. This is called the bridge. So fingerboard. We want to put our thumb, rest it right there, and then just reach over with our first finger and pluck our strings, and that's pizzicato. Alright, now let's take our left hand. And what I want you to do with your left hand is make like a circle, okay? And then shape it into the letter C. And be sure to keep your wrist straight as you're doing that. Nice straight wrist. So you go from a circle to a letter C, and then spread your fingers apart so your fingers are strong like a claw. And right across from your second finger is your thumb. So go from a circle to a C to a claw, second finger opposite the thumb, and then over here, halfway between this curve and this curve is where I want you to put your thumb. So put your thumb down there, bring your fingers down, spread about that far apart with your thumb opposite your second finger. Now, if your hand comes straight like this, it's going to be hard to make those spaces equal. But if you turn your hand so the palm of your hand is pointing toward the top of the cello here, the shoulder of the cello, then it's much easier to get an equal space in between our fingers. And that's real important. We need that equal space there. So we've got all 4 fingers down. Now I want you to pull in toward your shoulder with that hand nice and strong. Take your hand here, we're going to pizz. So thumb goes on the side of the fingerboard, not down here, but up here a ways, and reach over, and our fingers are on the D string. You could put them on any string, but today let's put them on the D string. And we reach over with our finger and we pluck that string, and all 4 fingers are down, and 4 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, pick up your 4th finger, but leave the other 3 down, and 4 more pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, second and third finger often work together. Pick them up together so just your first finger is down, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pick up all 4 fingers, let them hover over the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, very good. All right, let's do it once more. We'll just review this. So this hand, nice straight wrist. You have a circle. You make it into a C. You spread those fingers apart like a strong claw. Thumb is opposite second. Thumb goes halfway between the 2 curves in the neck. Fingers come down with second opposite the thumb. And all 4 fingers, we're going to be doing the D string today. You can try it on all the strings before we get to our next lesson. That would be great. Now, firm hand, pull in towards your shoulder, take your pizzing, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift your 4th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift second and third finger. And lift all the fingers, let them hover, and play your D string. Alright, so that's what we're going to work on now. And when I see you for the next lesson, we'll add something new to that. Very good. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.